Hello, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 22 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter wallet. Go to Explore Wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card. Check quick tips. And add passes like transport pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, contactless setup where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set and if your phone meets security requirements. In participating banks, you can check full list of banks participating in Google Wallet. And in Password Manager, you can manage passwords on your accounts. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. And in Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.